Hi, Kevin with Shamorific Shine, introducing the Shine Pro 2-in-1 microfiber chamois combination made in the USA. Before we dry out the vehicle with this product, we're going to use this product first. This is the Hybrid Solutions ceramic wax. We spray it on while the vehicle is still wet because this is going to dry and wax the vehicle at the same time. So first we apply the wax. Just a couple sprays per panel, like it says on the directions. We wring out our chamois. We fold it in half. Make sure you get all the water out of the chamois, out of the Shine Pro 2-in-1. And now we're going to dry and wax the vehicle at the same time. What I like to do is I like to rub it into the clear coat real good. That way it gives it a nice even look as I'm drying the vehicle. So this saves you a step of spraying the solution on the vehicle and then having to wipe it with a towel and then flipping your towel over and having to dry it. You can feel the ceramic working on the vehicle. This vehicle has been previously washed and soaked down so we can get all the contaminants off the vehicle. Has a little bit of oxidation on it, but they're not concerned about that. They're concerned about having a nice dry vehicle with a better wax on the vehicle. And that's how you do it. That's how you wax the vehicle with the Hybrid Solutions wax and the Shine Pro 2-in-1 all at once for you.